video is on how to install fake dread, and I'm using this extension from Xpression called Reggae Mask in color 1. So this is the big size of the product. I've used the smaller size here on this channel before. I think I uploaded a video last year, so it's the second time I'm doing this particular tutorial, and I'm going to leave the link of the other one in the description box below in case if you are interested. And for today's tutorial, I'm not cutting the length of this extension. I'm just using it the way it is, and it's really long. The length is really long. So after that, just box braid the hair single box braid, and this box braid actually depends on the size, on how you want it to look like. If you want it to look full, if you want it to look scanty, or if you want it to just be moderate. So I just did that off camera. I box braided it in medium sizes. To start the install of the extension, I'm taking the other ends of the extension and I'm just measuring it with a natural hair first, so that it will be the same length as the natural hair before I start to sew in and hide the natural hair with the extension. And after that, I'm using needle and thread to just secure the extension like so. Okay, now we have like 2 ends. Yeah, after measuring, you have like 2 ends, which one is longer than the other. After attaching the extension onto her head, you just bring the two, that's after attaching that particular part onto her head, you just bring the 2 ends together and then putting or leaving the natural hair in between the 2 extensions, and then you now start installing by using needle and thread to sew. So this is not the regular way of stitching. In this case, you are just stitching the left, as in you are taking the needle and thread through the left and bringing it out from the right, and then pass it through the right back to the left. So that's how to stitch for this particular one. While stitching, you are doing it in such a way that the thread won't show as well. So like I said before, I'm doing it like so that the thread won't show, or so that the thread won't be visible while I'm installing the extension. Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Hope everyone is doing good. Hope we are all staying safe at home. Please, if you are new here, just go ahead to click the subscribe button to join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, if it's helpful. Share the video to friends and family, loved ones. You know, you never can tell who actually really needs this. And also leave a comment on what you think. And yeah, so yeah, there are so many ways to install this dread, but this is one of it. And like I said before, I've done like previous tutorials on how to install this particular product different ways. So I'm going to leave the links of each of the method in the description box below. Okay, before you start installing the extension, you have to wash your client's hair with shampoo and conditioner, and then you use hand dryer to dry the hair. So for the box braid, we did it off camera. Went ahead to just box braid her hair into individual box braid off camera, so that this video won't be too long. And if you want to see like detailed video on the box braid, how to like do this type of box braid, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so that you can easily go and check it out.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's.
So after sewing down to where her hair actually stopped, we'll start sewing back from where her hair actually stopped down to close to her scalp. That will be the second stitching. So the second stitching is going to make sure that the dread is actually covering the natural hair, also to make sure that the sewing is firm.
Lions go. run and come.
Then after sewing or stitching, we just go ahead to use scissors to cut off the excess thread. Then after that, we'll roll the extension in between my hands just to lock it better. So yeah, this is how to install fake dread. This is one of the ways. I'm going to allow you guys to watch or see me do it like 2 or 3 more times so that you get a better understanding and also a better view. I also want you guys to watch this video very carefully so that you can actually understand the way I'm actually stitching the extension, so hiding the natural hair. So yeah, like I said before, this is the second time I'm putting out this type of video, either the second or the third time here on this channel. So I'm actually putting it up again because most of you have been asking me questions on this particular hairstyle, so that's why I decided to film it again. I think this is more clearer. But if you are still not if you still don't understand, you can just compare the 2 videos. You watch the previous one and watch this one. I'm also going to leave the link in the description box, like I said before. So for this style, why most clients actually likes this hairstyle is because you can wear it for as long as you want. The only thing you need to be doing is just to wash and moisturize the hair, and then you can style it as you want. Style it in such a way that it will fit your hair. So yeah, and most people like to carry, most people like the shorter length of this hair, not like short length, like medium length, let's say 18 inches, but this is quite long, so most people like to wear like 18 inches or 20 inches of this hair, which can be easily styled, you know, but this particular one is really long. It's also very easy to uninstall, that's to loosen it, so it's better to just sew down to the person's hair. Okay, like I always say, if you're a new hairstylist, I will always advise you to keep practicing. Just keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. You can use a DOM to start practicing. You can also find someone that can just sit and you practice on the person's hair. Just keep practicing. Make sure you always practice. Anytime you watch my video and you feel the hairstyle is new to you, just practice. And also, if you are new here, like it's the first time you're seeing my video, I have a lot of hairstyle tutorials. Just go ahead to click the subscribe button to join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share the video to friends and family. But the most important thing is for you to subscribe so that you don't get to miss anytime I upload a new video. So yeah, I will continue installing like so until I'm done installing all the box braid I actually created initially. For the install, it can really take long. It takes like from 4 to 5 hours depending on how you actually section out the box braid. If you actually section out the box braid bigger sizes, you are sure to finish in less than 4 hours. But if it is smaller or medium sizes, just be counting from 4, 5, 6 hours. It can take that long. But the good thing, like I said before, that after installing, you can wear the hair for as long as you want to.
Make a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.
Okay, yeah, after installing, we just go ahead to use this product. This product is called Styling Mousse, and for this particular product, this is the one I usually use. For this particular one, you have to give it a good shake, like you shake it very well before you press out the foam and then apply it on your client's head. So you have to apply the Styling Mousse all over the extension, like no matter how long the extension is, you have to apply it down to the extension. And then after that, just go ahead to use spray, just to spray on her hair, just to give it a good shine. So now I'm just styling her hair into ponytail, and I'm using a rubber band to do so. So my client is actually helping me to style it into a ponytail because the length of the hair is really long. So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful. Hope you're able to learn something new from this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, share to friends and family, and subscribe if you are new here. Leave a comment on what you want to see up next on this channel, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.
Just come, we must never stop the way.